Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be doing part 1 of my December BoxyCharm unboxing because I actually received 2 boxes this month for some reason. Don't know why. I did get billed for it though, so I definitely know why. So this box right here is actually a BoxyCharm premium box, and it comes every other month, and then we'll get into the other box in the next video on my channel. Welcome back to the 12 days of Christmas. We're doing a BoxyCharm unboxing from December. So let's get started. Ta-da! There she blows. Ooh, this is adorable. Look at the little Christmas gifts it has. I love it when they have all these themed packages. You can actually see in here. So BoxyCharm Premium is a little bit more than their regular subscription. Like I said, it comes once every 2 months. And you get a little bit more of a something in there. I'll post in the description box down below what the actual price is for the BoxyCharm Premium and more information on that. They have so many subscription boxes now, it's hard to keep track of like what they actually have. So here is my BoxyCharm Premium. I'm just going to take all these out real quick, and we're going to get started with what is in here. Wow, there's a lot in here. There's something hidden right in the corner. All right. So let's just start with these. What are these? I think these are Epione Beauty. So here's my little card right here so I can know what these are. This is Epione Beauty. It's a lip Spo Liner Duo. It's creamy, long-lasting, rich color to line or fill my lips. It's a 2-piece kit. It features a velvety formula. It glides effortlessly along my lips, and it'll create a perfectly defined pout. It's $24. So looking at the caps of these, like the colors are really pretty. This one actually is a really beautiful mauve, and I love the deep red of this. I have a couple of lip liners that are already in this color though, so I'm probably going to put this into a Poshmark closet. So I will leave my Poshmark down below. The colors are really pretty, but I have some like this already, so I don't need it. So let's open up this right here. This is Kenya Ontiveros Beauty. Don't know how to say that. Ontiveros Beauty or whatever. So this looks like it is a glow and go kit. It retails for $48. Ooh, that's cool. It has like a faux alligator skin feel. Oh, and it opens like a book. I love the little sleeve here. So this is a Glow and Go kit. Shine all year round with the Glow and Go kit, designed in a sleek, travel-friendly palette filled with Kenya's favorite shades. It's an all-in-one kit that you'll need for that everyday glow or touch-ups on the go. MSRP is $48 for this. So this is a super like, it says it's a Glow and Go, so I'm guessing it's like eyes and face, like highlight, but like some of these I couldn't use as a highlight, and these kind of almost look like eyebrow shades, but this is like a really like matte green shade. I like the way that it opens though. It's more like a book, like, hello, come read me. Hello, come read me. It is really interesting, the concept of that. I mean, obviously you would be holding it like, you know, like a normal palette to get ready in the morning, and the mirror would be, you know, up here. So it is really, that's a little bit different to me. I like the concept, but like, this is just so neutral. I don't even think I would be using this like ever. So this one's definitely going to go into my Poshmark closet. MSRP on this is $48, just so you guys know. Again, if you guys are interested in my Posh closet, it'll be linked in the description box down below. All right, so we have the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. I've actually tried this one before, and I actually did a full review on this mascara, so I already know this is going to be a pass because I did not like it at all. And I will actually link in the description box down below that whole mascara wars where I actually go over the Huge Lash Mascara from Stila. But it is an extreme lash mascara, and it's a volumizing long-wearing mascara that drenches every lash in intense triple black pigments, builds unstoppable color for the boldest, blackest lashes ever. With just one coat, you instantly get major volume. MSRP on this is $23, and it claims to not have clumps. So this is going right into my Posh closet. So if you guys are a fan and it works for you, definitely check this out in my closet, but I'm not going to keep this one. All right, then we have Eliana Badro. These are beauty sponges. They're luxury beauty sponges. It's a 2-pack here. Their luxurious sponge applications were designed for applying and blending all types of foundations, concealers, and or powders. It offers a flawless finish. The pack includes 2 latex-free luxury sponges with different colors and shapes for precision and application. These 2 sponges are $34. That is insane. Not when I can buy like a whole pack of my you know, Shop Miss A one. So this definitely, this size right here looks a lot like the e.l.f. beauty sponge I already have. And I want to see what the black one looks like. And this one actually looks like the really cheap one that not cheap, but the really inexpensive one that I get from Shop Miss A, like these both do. But I can always use more beauty blenders because my kids love to steal them. So we're going to put these back in the box, and I'm going to keep these. I'm interested to see how they perform against like everyday drugstore ones, but $34 for these. Now we have 2 things left in my box. We have the Epione Flawless Serum. Let's kind of open this up. I like the black matte packaging. That's beautiful. Ooh, that's interesting. It's square. You don't see much of that. So this Epione Skincare Beverly Hills Flawless Serum. Oh, it's a powerful serum that reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, tightens and firms while providing skin's surface with a protective barrier. It helps you retain water in the corners of every layer of your skin, making your skin feel plump and radiant. What are some of the ingredients in here? Cyclopendaxlian. Oh, it has dimethicone in it, so it has a silicone base in it. This Flawless Serum is a $195 value, and this brand is apparently new to BoxyCharm. I'm kind of curious about this, so I am going to keep this one. And then we have the last thing in my box, which I did a little bit. It's something I've been wanting to try because this kind of blew up all over YouTube. It is the Bite Beauty Changemaker Micellar Foundation. They chose the shade L10 for me, so hopefully they chose the right shade. So the Bite Beauty Changemaker Supercharged Micellar Foundation. Let's take this off because I have to know. Is it going to shade match me or not? Ooh, it might. It says that this is a clean, long-wearing foundation fueled by nourishing antioxidants, rich makwi berry for a lightweight, natural finish that feels good on the skin. It's a $44 foundation. So I have a bruise on my hand, that's why it looks like it's a little bit too light, but I think it might work for me, especially in the wintertime because I get so light, and it doesn't look to have any kind of like undertone at all, which is good. It looks more like a neutral undertone, so I think that'll be good for my skin tone. And it smells interesting, so I'm excited to actually check this one out because I've heard it's so good, and I am definitely keeping this one too. It's a $44 foundation, guys. So this one I'm keeping in the Flawless Serum. Out of this BoxyCharm, like, this is the BoxyCharm Premium. I think they had some great things in here. Don't misunderstand that by any means, but some of these things I feel like I would just not use because I already have this kind of stuff in my collection. And I've already tried this mascara and just don't like it at all. But this is everything that I got in my BoxyCharm Premium box. And anything that I don't like, I will list down below in my Posh closet. So, thank you for watching this episode from the 12 Days of Christmas, my BoxyCharm Premium unboxing. And I hope to see you guys in the BoxyCharm Boxy Luxe unboxing that is coming to my channel right after this one. So, stay tuned.